An impression on a comment here in the direct target audience with brand association is worth far more than an average impression. Today we're going to be looking at another account and into how they can apply engagement to grow on socials. So we're looking at LOHN official, I'm assuming, and they're creating candles and interior scents. Now, very aesthetic Instagram account right off the bat, of course, because there's a certain design element to the candles that they produce and the scents that they have. Now, how could engagement marketing be applied here? The very obvious thing and case is you could be engaging with high view content of interior design. Because obviously people that are interested in home decor, interior, will most likely have an overlap with your target audience for scented candles. So just find niche interior design posts, content with a shit ton of likes and views and engage on those for extra reach. Very obvious. Same thing here kind of applies, similar direction, design trends. So there's a lot of architecture magazines, news outlets of interior design. And again, here, design principles from this news outlet. All of these people are people in your target audience looking at design stuff, interested in the design, interior design niche. Just engage with them. A third thing that you can do, now this is a little bit of a leap. Let's say you're trying to get those products, physical products, into some kind of stores. Now Walmart might be pushing it a little bit, but at scale, you could just consistently be engaging with every single post that comes out from Walmart. Just whenever they post, just comment. And over time, you will be associated with the Walmart content. And ideally for people to be asking or looking for the candles whenever they're at the store. But I'm going to be honest on this one, that's kind of pushing it. So we're going to go with a final option to something that's a little bit more tangible, I guess, which would be finding influencers that are in your demographic, in your country, in your target audience, and then just being active in their comment section. Now this person, I just did a quick 5-minute search. I don't know a lot about the LOHN candles. I just found them. I don't know their specific target audience, but I'm assuming it will be kind of like more on the female end, interior design. I don't know, get ready with me, home appliances, kind of like girlies. And what I said before, engage. Not only are you going to be on their radar, on the influencers radar, but you're also going to be on the radar of all the people engaging with said influencers that are to some degree in their wider, shared interest circle, ideally in your target audience. And it would also be, which is a byproduct effect, be easier for you to afterwards talk to these influencers to potentially also get brand collabs going for the product itself. So this is how you could be applying engagement marketing for LOHN and such scented candles, for example.